Oo, dito kami pumunta ni Baleleng. Kaya lang, panahon pa rin. Every 1 hour na, sabi ko.
Good day everyone, this is Dr. Mike. Welcome to Our Health Talk by Doc Mike. Join me and my friends as we visit Lantau Link Visitor Center dito sa Hong Kong. Hope you like this video. And if you are not yet a subscriber, please do like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Enjoy guys! If you want to visit the visitor center and the viewing platform can be reached by the Lantau Link or the Chongqing Tunnel. You may also reach the visitor center and the viewing platform by taking green minibus number 308M at Maritime Square, MTR Chingy Station exit A1 in Chingy. Some minibuses number 308M do not stop at the Lantau Link Viewpoint and Visitor Center. Please check with the driver before boarding. Good day everyone! Welcome to Hong Kong! Welcome to Chingy, Chiangmai, kung ano man bridge meron dyan. Nakikita nyo sa aking likuran yung mga bridge ng Hong Kong. Ayan. Parang nasa San Francisco lang. So ayan ang famous landmark. Isa sa mga famous landmark dito sa Hong Kong. So narating din namin after nung maghanap. And meron din isang bridge. O yan, sa side ko naman, sa likod ko. Habang nagpe-prepare yung mga kasama namin, ayun sila. Ang ganda dito, napaka-relaxing. Hindi ganong ine-explore ng lugar na ito. Ang ganda. Pag dinadaanan namin kasi itong bridge na to, pag pumunta sa airport. Anong bridge yan? Ano pangalan ng bridge na yan? Yun. Chiangmai Bridge. Yung sa likod ko, Ting Kau Bridge.
Oo, ata.
Ting Kau Bridge, tama ba?
Ay, oo. Ting Kau Bridge.
Ting Kau Bridge. Ito yun. Tapos yun,
Mawan Bridge.
yun yung Mawan Bridge. Tama ba?
Oo, Mawan Bridge siya yun.
O yun yan. Ito daw ang Mawan Bridge yun sa likod ko. Ayun. That's Mawan Bridge. O, balik na ako.
Ting Kau Bridge.
Ting Kau Bridge. Balik na. Yun. Ting Kau Bridge sa likod ko. Ayun. Ting Kau. Tama. Mawan yan yung sa harapan natin.
Mawan sa harapan na.
Ito.
Bridge.
So, ayan. Kamali sila. Hindi nila alam.
Kasi papunta na yun. Ikaw.
Kaya binabasa namin ito. Sabi, Air Traffic Control Complex Tower. Akit pa kami dun sa pinakataas. Landscope. Meron bang makikita dito sa landscope?
Meron.
Paano ba ganun?
Meron. Doon.
Ay,
Yung pinaka-close.
Lapit, oh.
Akin.
Ay, oo, sige, paano mo. Parang yung Superman.
Oo. Di ba? Ang lapit-lapit.
Yun yung nakikita ko mga dumadaan sa sasakyan. Sa Mawan Bridge. Ang ganda. Yun nakikita ko, Mawan. Tama, yun yung Mawan. Nakikita ko.
Nababasa mo
Oh,
yung
nababasa ko yun ang Mawan Bridge. Ano ginagawa nito mga to? Alam mo anong ginagawa? Uncoordinated? Hindi nila alam ang steps. Kung anong ginagawa nila, sasayaw daw sila. Hindi naman sila marunong. Sige, practice pa more. Practice pa more. May performance sila mamaya. Titingnan natin. Sa likod ko, nakikita nyo yung may bridge sa background. Yun ang Mawan Bridge. If galing kayo ng airport or papunta kayo ng airport, matadaanan nyo yung bridge sa likod ko. So, isa sa mga landmark dito So, bibihira ang mga tao pumupunta dito sa lugar na to. It's a nice place, relaxing place, at medyo malamig ang weather ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. So, abangan ninyo kasi nagpa-practice yung mga kasama namin. Nagpa-practice sila ng kanilang makabagong dance. So, abangan nyo mamaya pagkita natin. Dito sa main bridge and the history natin. Tokyo Bay Docking at Container Terminal 1 opened in 1972. Did you know that the first container vessel to dock at Container Terminal 1 was way back in 1972? Was Tokyo Bay. So, ayan po ang nakikita natin. So, tignan natin yung susunod. Kasi as we explore dito sa may Hong Kong, tignan natin ang susunod. Samahan niyo ako. Noong 1973 naman, sa Terminal 1 pa rin, yung Pilar Island, Qingyi, 1973. At the bottom, we see modern terminals. So, nagbabago na, nagkakaroon na ng mga bagong developments dito sa Hong Kong. The earliest container terminal operator who is still operating terminals 1, 2, 5, and 9 nowadays. Qingyi, on the opposite side, site formation of work in Chongqing Estate was carried out. Wala pa ako, hindi pa ako sinisilang ng 1973. Tignan natin. O, ito naman, Bargeway Crane. Ito na, yung crane, 1978 na. Some nicknames for the machinery in the terminals. The red crane is tower. Gantry cranes are dragons, with reference to the Chinese name, and front cranes are eagles or elephants. O, yan pala yung pangalan nila. Pag nakakakita tayo, pumupunta tayo sa airport, nakakakita tayo ng mga crane na red na yan. Tower, pangalan, di ba? Gantry cranes are dragon. Sige, Chinese name from eagles and elephants. And may scientific name pa, Bahuinia blackiania. Okay, may scientific name itong halaman. Ito, Liking Station, Kwai Chung Road, Kwai Chung Terminal, 1980. Hong Kong Mass Transport Study, 1982 na to, dito sa may Liking. So, ang dami pala dito. So, nakikita natin ang bridge. Ito na! Ting Kau Bridge was constructed in 1996. Ganyan pala siya, portion by portion. So, nakikita po ninyo dito sa picture na ito, yung po nakikita nating bridge, hindi yan, yung sa kabila yata yan. Ting Kau Bridge, construction in 1996. Okay? Wow! Yan ang pinagdugtong na yung mga island papunta sa taas. Ting Kau. Ito naman. Ayan, yung nakikita natin sa side, yun yung Ting Kau Bridge in 1997. So, halos bago-bago pa lang yung Ting Kau Bridge, ha? 1997. So, para pakita natin ang Ting Kau Bridge. Is having fun? Pakita natin sa ating mga kababayan, ha? So sa ating mga kababayan, nakikita po ninyo sa aking side o sa aking likuran, ito po yung Ting Kau Bridge, constructed in 1997. Ay, nakikita po ninyo yung span niya. Mga buses and cars na dumadaan from one side to the other side. Saan papunta yun? Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan siya pupunta. Okay? So, pero ang ganda oh. Ting Kau Bridge is a 1,177 meters or 3,862 feet long cable-stayed bridge in Hong Kong that spans from the northwest of Qingyi Island and Shun Road. Tapos noong 1979, dumami na yung mga pabahay nila. Public housing estate in Kwai Chung, 1979. 1979, dumami na. Ay, ang ganda ng bridge. Ting Kau Bridge. Titignan natin, i-research po natin ang span ng bridge. 1997, it was constructed in 1997. Tignan natin yung Ting Kau Bridge naman. Ting Kau Bridge is near the Ting Kau Bridge, which also serves as a major connector between the Hong Kong International Airport on Lantau Island and the rest of Hong Kong. It was completed on May 5th, 1998, and the bridge is toll-free. Ting Kau Bridge is a bridge in Hong Kong. It is the world's 14th longest span suspension bridge and was the second longest at the time of completion. The bridge was named after the two islands it connects, namely Tsing Yi and Ma Wan. It has two decks and carries both road and rail traffic, which also makes it the largest suspension bridge of this type. The bridge has a main span of 1,377 meters or 4,518 feet and a height of 206 meters or 676 feet. The span is the longest of all bridges in the world carrying rail traffic. The Lantau Link viewing platform is located at the northwest corner of Tsing Yi Island, occupies an area of about 19,000 square meters. From here, you can enjoy a magnificent panoramic view of the western part of Lantau Link and the northern part of Ting Kau Bridge. In addition, the Lantau Link viewing platform is an optimal point to view the Ma Wan Channel. The facilities available at the attraction include an elevated platform, the outdoor exhibits of components of Tsing Kau Bridge and the Ting Kau Bridge, as well as the visitor centers, videos, pictures, photos, and models detailing the construction of Lantau Link and the Ting Kau Bridge are displayed in the visitor center. Car park that accommodates tour buses and cars is located in the vicinity of the viewing platform. The opening hours of the viewing platform is from Monday through Sunday from 7:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. Opening hours of the visitor centers from Monday to Friday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. During weekends and public holidays, opening hours is 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Closed on New Year's Day, Chinese New Year, and Christmas holidays. The viewing platform and the visitor centers are open to all free of charge. Once again, this is Dr. Mike. Don't forget po to like, share, and subscribe. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa tour namin ito dito sa Lantau Link, Hong Kong.